going into the new year like, hey, this is me, the one and only CYB. If you want to get to know me, then go ahead and be a subby. Ooh, yeah, whoop, whoop. It is going to be the new year and I just want to have some fun. So I'm going to just do a cute little colorful, bold makeup look to bring in the new year. So I am going to be using this one palette. It is the CoverGirl True Naked Jewels palette. I just love these colors. Look at how vibrant these colors are. Super pretty, super bomb. So I'm going to be using this shade, I believe, this shade for more of that smoky look, and I think I'm going to be using this shade. So I'm actually going to be just experimenting. So yeah, let's get started. All of the makeup that I'm going to be using is drugstore makeup. So this is an inexpensive look, but you can still, you know, be glamorous and look good on a budget. Okay, so I've already done my brows. My brows are done. Excuse this guy, you know, want to pop up on me. But my face is pretty much moisturized. And now I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me Poreless Foundation. And this one is in the shade Mocha. I usually use the shade Coconut, but my hyperpigmentation is like super bad right now after having my baby. My skin is so uneven. So this is what matches me for now. But the Maybelline Coconut is also a good shade for me. So I'm just going to go ahead and put this on. So once I apply the foundation, I'm going to move into eyeshadow. So the first shade that I'm going to go in with as like a transitional shade is this purple. So pretty. So I'm going to take a blending brush. And note I'm not doing an eyeshadow primer. Do the other side. I'm actually going in deeper with it, closer to the crease right here. So now I'm going to go in with this pretty lime green sparkly color. Most of these shades are super sparkly. I guess that's why it's called jewels. So we're gonna take this color and I'm gonna go in with that. Oh, I'm lying. Go ahead and take this smoky shade and we're gonna go in with that. I'm gonna take this e.l.f. contour brush just to carve out like the outer corner and the crease a little bit for that like smoky eye look. Okay, now I'm gonna take this blending brush that I had. I'm gonna blend that in. Now I'm going to go in with this green, this pretty lime green. Wow, some of the blue actually got onto that. It doesn't look too bad. See that blue right there? Some of that blue actually got into it. So what I'm going to do, this is all just going with the flow. I'm going to put this green on. And then, yes, I'm going to take this blue. And I'm going to actually put some in right there. Just like that. Blend out. Kind of like a holographic type of look going on. I'm actually really liking it. Okie dokie. So once that is together, I'm going to take an eyeliner. So this one is the NYX Timer Kohl Pencil and Felt Tip Liner. It's my first time using this. Actually, it's my first time using this palette. My first time using this eyeliner. So I'm going to use the pen side and line my eyes. I'm actually trying to think of how I'm going to do my hair. I have no idea. I did a deep condition yesterday, and also, well, actually I did it the day before yesterday. Kept it in overnight. And then I did a wash and go yesterday. So I pretty much rinsed out the deep conditioner, and then I went and added, I did just one product actually. After I rinsed out the deep conditioner, I just went in and did one product. So yeah. So after the liner, what I'm going to go ahead and do is do a little highlight. I'm going to add a little bit more foundation before the highlight, just to kind of clean up anything. Do a little highlight. I'm using the Maybelline New York Master Concealer. I love my LA Pro LA Girl Concealer, but this is pretty good too. So I'm just going to put a little. I know it doesn't look like a little bit. I use my fingers for the highlight most of the time. Just because I feel like I can get into the creases in the corners. Ooh, that bump. Oh, it hurts. Oh, those deep under the skin bumps hurt like heck. Okay, so now that that's finished, I'm going to go ahead and set it with this Milani Prep Set and Go transparent face powder. So I'm going to use a little setting brush, and then I'm going to go ahead and apply that. Okay, now I wasn't going to do eyelashes just because I was like, oh, I want to see like the you know, the eyeshadow, because sometimes the eyeshadow doesn't show up with the lashes right away. But I have to do lashes. But I'm gonna highlight the brow bone. I'm gonna take this little MAC 242 brush, and I'm gonna use this shade right here to highlight the brow bone a little bit. Ooh. It's kind of like a pinkish champagne color. It looks white, kind of like, but it's like a pearly, pinky type of shade. Really pretty. Oh, I don't want to put too much. Using a lot of colors can go really wrong if you're not careful. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and use this shade for the inner corner. I'm going to take the blending brush and blend that in. So this is like a holographic look to me, like seriously. Now I'm going to go in with the Kohl pencil part of the eyeliner. I haven't used black eyeliner on the bottom of my eyelashes in years, or in a very long time. Okay, now guess what? I'm gonna take this green shade and I'm gonna line the bottom of my lash line with it. And now I'm gonna take some more of the black just to deepen a little bit of the cat eye. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and do little finishing touches, a little blush, a little powder to just finish evening out my skin. Oh, this is the red vino from Milani. Only blush I've been using for about 3 years now. And I'm now using the Maybelline Fit Me face powder, and this is in the shade Coconut. I'm going to take a little bit of this shade right here just for a little more added highlight. Okie dokie, now I keep saying that, but I didn't even do any contour because since I'm doing like all of these products are from like the drugstore, CVS, Walgreens, that type of place, I didn't want to bring anything that you wouldn't find there. So yeah, just gonna go ahead and move on. So the lip that I'm going to do is the purple. I'm just gonna use my finger and dab it onto my lips. And now some lip gloss. And then this really does help to just highlight the Cupid's bow. So I'm going to use this highlighting color that I use for the nose and go ahead and highlight that. Now lashes. I got to do the lashes. So I'm going to go ahead, pop these lashes on. Okay, so after I put on these lashes, now I'm going to go ahead and add some mascara. I always add the mascara after I put on to like blend everything in after I put on eyelashes because I just find that it works better that way. Okay, now the bottom, I'm going to exaggerate the bottom lashes. So now I'm going to figure out what to do with my hair. Woo. The bigger the better, right? I feel like a disco ball. That's what I feel. It reminds me of the background. And then the shirt. Okay, I'm gonna just add some edge control for now. Oh, by the way, the edge control that I've been using is the I Am Blessed Hands edge control. So the I Am Blessed Hands edge control is what I've been using, and it is pretty darn good. So go order you some if you're looking for your edges to just like stay down, stay sleek. Okay, so after fluffing out my hair, I actually really like this look. I do have this headband that I kind of want to try and put on. I mean, it does kind of match. I'm kind of very eccentric, and like to try new things and come up with new looks and styles. So I don't know if this is going to be too much, but let's try it. Pretty much it.